Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know this isn't a regular finance video, but I thought this video would fit perfectly on this channel because it has to do with work furniture, work productivity, and all of that good stuff. I have this Hyken chair from Staples, and the problem with this chair is with the headrest. This headrest will dig into your back or your shoulder blades if you're tall. And I'm 5'9", 5'10", and this digs into my shoulder blades and it's pretty much useless. So without this mod here, I was actually using this chair without the headrest just because it was so pointless and it dug into my shoulder blades and it hurt. So what I did was I went to my local hardware store and I picked up 2 door hinges, 2 bolts, and 2 nuts right here. What I did was I used the screws that came with the Staples Hyken chair and I put it through the door hinges that I bought from the hardware store, and then that went into the backrest here. And then what I did was I used 2 bolts that I got from the hardware store and 2 nuts, so you can see on this side here. And the reason why I used the original 2 screws here for the one that went into the backrest was because I didn't want to strip the threads that were inside the backrest, because that did happen before on another chair that I had when I was trying to basically put this mod on. I forgot to mention that I don't know the size of the bolts and I don't know the size of the nuts in the back here, but that's going to depend on what kind of door hinge you're going to get, and I'm also not sure if all the door hinge holes here are universal, if they're all the same size, so you're going to have to want to check that out. But basically what I did was I went to the hardware store and I purchased 2 door hinges, and then I went to go check out, and then after I checked out, I basically was able to open the package up and then go back to the screws, bolts, and nut section, and then basically I was able to find 2 bolts and 2 nuts on the back here that fit into the holes of the door hinge. So that's what I did. Yeah, I know it kind of looks a little bit weird, goofy. It's a hacky solution, kind of, but you know, it works. It gets the job done. It's perfect now, I would say. And this is just a quick little fix. So if you guys like the video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.